girls from Cookbook's Cuisina, and we're here again. My name is Joanne.
I'm Kelly.
I'm still Jackie.
And we're going to show you how to do a Greek rose with yogurt and honey and nuts. So this is a classic recipe that we like to make because we love fresh fruit and it's representative of what we like to do in the islands. So Joanne is going to cut thin slices of apple that we're going to use to build our rose. In the meantime, I have some Greek yogurt that I'm going to... Jackie, do you want to put some honey into that?
Yeah.
You want to sweeten up your yogurt because basically this is going to be not just a dessert, but also a wonderful snack you can have any time of day. So we're going to mix that together and sweeten up our yogurt. And if you like, you can add some nuts to that or some sesame seeds.
As you can see, she's just cutting around the apple. And then we're going to start to build around our yogurt inside our bowl.
And basically this is going to be like your dip for your apple. So
You're going to start those.
So we start in the center, and you want to make the bud of the rose, and we're going to build around it as petals. Do we have another little one? And then you just keep going and going around.
So as you go around and around, it starts to take shape like a rose.
And you can put as many slices or as few as you like. Too big, too big. That's better. Yeah. Okay.
So you
And
want
here
to
we
get them
have-
a little more uniform.
And here we have an apple rose. Kaliorexi.
Kaliorexi.